Hello, welcome again to my channel. Today let's solve this math challenge which read 1 over m plus 1 over n is equals to 1 over 3, and we're looking for all the possible value of m and n. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop videos on mathematics. Okay, so let's solve this together. Since I've written solution, I can write the question which read 1 over m, okay, plus 1 over n is equals to 1 over 3. Okay, so if we have something like this, the first thing we are going to do is to look for the LCM, and the LCM of m, n and 3 is LCM is equals to 3m n. Okay, so if you look for the LCM of 3mn, we can say this to be 3mn, okay, times 1 over m, okay, plus 3mn times 1 over n equals to 3mn times 1 over 3. Okay, this m will cancel this m, this n will cancel this n, this 3 will cancel this 3. So if you do this, we are now having 3n plus 3m equals to mn. Okay, since we are not having this, we are going to bring all these values at this left hand side to the right hand side of the equation. So if we should do that, we are having mn minus 3m, okay, minus 3n equals to 0. So the next thing to do is to add 9 to both sides of the equation. Don't worry, by the time we are solving ahead, you know the reason why we add both 9 to the both side of the equation. So we can write add 9 to both side of equation. Okay, so if you add 9 to both sides of the equation, we have here to be mn minus 3m minus 3n plus 9 is equals to 9. So 9 plus 0 is going to give us 9. So from here we can see a common factor. From here we can also see a common factor. So this is what we're going to have. So if we bring out the common factor here, which is m open bracket n minus 3. Okay, from here we are having a common factor of minus 3. So we say minus 3 open bracket n minus 3 equals to 9. So if we apply the quadratic rule here, we have here to be m minus 3, okay, times n minus 3 equals to 9. Okay, from here, what are we simply going to do? We can rewrite 9 again in multiple way, and 9 is equals to 3 times 3, okay, and 9 is equals to 9 times 1. Okay, so let's work with these two first. So we can say m minus 3, okay, times n minus 3, okay, is equals to 3 times 3. Okay, so if we should say m minus 3 is equals to 3, okay, n minus 3 is equals to 3. So from here we can say our m is equals to 6, our n is equals to 6. Okay, so the first value for m and n is equals to 6,6. Okay, looking at this second multiple, 9 times 1, so we can say m minus 3, okay, times n minus 3 is equals to 9 times 1. So from here we can say m minus 3 is equals to 9, okay, and comma n minus 3 is equals to 1. So from here we can say m is equals to 12, comma y m is equals to 12, while n is equals to 4. So from here we can say m comma n is equals to 12 comma 4. So if we should do this interchangeably, if we interchange the value, we can say m comma n is also equals to 4 comma 12. So m comma n is also equals to 4 comma 12, and n comma n is also equals to 12 comma 4. So let's look the rest multiples of 9. So we also have negative, we also give us positive, right? So let's look for the other multiples of 9. Okay, so let's do that. So we can say m minus 3, okay, times n minus 3 is equals to our 9, and 9 is also equals to minus 9 times minus 1. Okay, so if we should say m minus 3 is equals to minus 9, okay, and n minus 3 is equals to minus 1. So from here we can say our m is equals to minus 6 and our n is equals to 2. So our m comma n is equals to minus 6, 2. And if we should do this interchangeably again, our m comma n is also equals to 2 comma minus 6. So this is another value for m and n. So let's look at the last multiple for 9. Okay, since we are having m minus 3 times n minus 3 is equals to 9, we want to look for the last multiple for 9. So 9 is also equals to minus 3 times minus 3. Okay, minus 3. So from here, what are we going to do? So we can say m minus 3, okay, times n minus 3, which is also equals to minus 3 times minus 3. Okay, so if you put it through, we can say m minus 3 is equals to minus 3, okay, and n minus 3 is equals to minus 3. Okay, from here we can say our m is equals to 0 and our n is equals to 0. So we've looked for all the possible value for m and n. So we say m comma n is equals to 0 comma 0. So looking at our equation, we said our equation says 1 over m, okay, 1 over m plus 1 over n is equals to 1 over 3. So if we should put all this value of m and n into this equation, is not going to give us equals to 1 over 3, because everything here at the right hand side will not be equals to this. So this value, we will eliminate this value. So we are not going to accept this value, but we are going to accept this, 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 and we are going to accept this. So these are all the possible values. Our first value, here comes our second value, our third value, and our fourth value. So this is our first value, second value, third and fourth value. So if we should write all the values out, m m comma n is equals to 6 comma 6. Okay, it's also equals to 12 comma 4. Okay, it's also equals to 4 comma 12. Okay, it's also equals to 4 comma 12. It's also equals to 2 comma minus 6, and we also have a fifth value. It's also equals to minus 6 comma 2. So these are all the possible value for m and n. So if we pick any of these values and put it into this formula, we are going to have 1 over 3. So let's try for the first value, which is 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 is equals to 1 over 3. So if we should do everything here, we are having 1 over 3 is equals to 1 over 3. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Thank you. Bye for now.